This is another Jumia day. I just got another package from Jumia. Don't mind my voice, please. I just got another package from Jumia. This is the third week I ordered. So let's unbox this. I'm tired. I'm so sorry, guys, but let's unbox this. Okay, guys. So this is the package. Jumia package. As usual, we are going to have to open this. This is also strong. I'll just here and the usual leaflet with the price, so everything plus shipping fee. Okay, everything plus shipping fee is sorry, reflection. So that's the price. So this is what we have in here. This is the package. And this is another week. The fact that oh guys, see now, this is lovely. The fact that it's a week. Oh guys, this is also very nice. I'm going to give this, and it's long. I don't know if you guys can see the length. It's long. If I put it on my head, it will reach. Let me try to kneel down and you guys can see. If I put it on my head, let me just wait. It should reach. I'm not going to try it. You know I have a hairstyle on my head, so let's just. Oh, I think it's fair enough, guys. I'm just putting it. I'm not fixing it, just so that you can see. I think it's not bad. And it's soft and nice, guys. It's very nice. So rating this, I think, is a good product for the price. Very good one. Okay, guys. See you in the next video. Please subscribe. I beg of you, please subscribe. This channel I've been through a lot. Please, let's just help this channel. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Watch my other videos too in the channel section. Bye.